Welcome. This is Ant ERP School. Today I'm going to explain how to check management within the Ant ERP. Let's log into the system. In Cash and Cash Equivalent menu, you can find Cheques. Under the Cheques, you have following submenus. Enhanced Cheques. All received enhanced checks can see here, and you can deposit bank and make extend realized date here. Pending checks. This is where you can find deposited but not realized checks and paid not presented checks. And here you can mark as realized of both types of pending checks. Cheque Books. This is the place registered checkbooks of the company and can see all the summaries of the registered checkbooks. Cheque Writer. You can write/print checks here. When you create a voucher with check payment, the check will automatically come here to print, and adjust printing and create check printing template feature here. Check History. All paid and received checks after realized came here. You can find and see details later on and can make return checks by this window. Check Return. You can see and manage return checks here. Go to the checkbook and click on Add New. You will have to enter the details of new checkbook, and saving it will create a checkbook. When you create a payment voucher, here we are going to create voucher by paying vendor bill. Pay by a check. When select bank, next writable check number will come automatically. Here you can see that check came to the check writer and we can print it. We have facility to making any adjustment of check writer and create template facility also here. Let's move to the pending checks. Here under the issued non-presented, you can see that paid and wrote check, and simply can realize this check by clicking Realize button. Here you can see the all records at checkbook. This is in-hand checks. In red color, it is saying that realize date is passed. Let's see the steps of receiving checks inside the Ant ERP. Here we go to the Make a Receipt from a client for his due bills. Let's make it as check payment. After all, you can see that inside the in-hand checks, we can hold the check for another date like this, can see the checks like this, and deposit to the bank by selecting like this. And again, go to the pending checks, and under the deposited non-realized, you can see that deposited checks. Now you can make realized by simply clicking on this Realize button. You can see on Bankbook that realized checks now. That's all of check management in Ant ERP system. Let's meet with another video. Have a good day.